Wall Street is reacting to the war in Israel, but not in the same way it has to other recent conflicts. Traders taking a bit more measured approach in the markets here.
NewsNation business contributor and New York Post reporter Lydia Moynihan is with us right now. Lydia, there hasn't been this massive swing, which some might have expected, but at least one billionaire hedge fund manager, Paul Tudor Jones, said he would avoid risk assets, avoid investing in stocks until the conflict with Israel and Hamas is resolved. Could that create a ripple effect?
Yeah, I mean, at this point, a lot of people we speak with say they believe it's going to be localized. And of course, while it's devastating, they don't think it's going to affect underlying factors that impact the economy, like the number of iPhones sold or the number of Coca-Cola cans that are sold. But I think everyone is waiting a little bit with bated breath to see what is going to happen. And I will note that the VIX index, which is a measure of fear, that has spiked about 15% in the last 5 days. So I think we're still going to see a bit of a escape to sort of safer assets. I think that's why equities are remaining pretty much stable where they are. People are putting money in bonds, and I think just waiting to see what happens. The big piece of news that I think everyone sort of on tenterhooks waiting for is the CPI. That is a measure of inflation and how it impacts the consumer. That is coming out tomorrow. So I think that could be the real market reaction that we see this week.
Okay, we'll have our eyes on that. Lydia, let's also lastly talk oil. You know, anytime there's a conflict in the Middle East, of course, oil prices always seem to be one of the first things to jump. Has that been the case this time around as well?
So the knee-jerk reaction, we did see the price of oil spike pretty dramatically. Again, the hope is that this is localized. I think people are waiting to see now that there's chatter that Iran was involved. That could certainly impact the price of oil. And I think it just adds to this overall uncertainty that we're feeling. There's still a war in Ukraine. Now it seems like there could be a broader conflagration in the Middle East. But I will note that in the Ukraine, that hasn't necessarily impacted oil here because we're still getting oil from Russia. So I think people are waiting to see how all of this lands. But you're right, the knee-jerk reaction was oil jumped, and now we're seeing it kind of stabilize a little bit.
Well, stabilization is something we all desperately need. The world is crazier and crazier than ever. Lydia, thank you. It's good to see you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.